this goes in here.
Put it over my head.
See it right there?
Alright, I spec. Alright, that should do. Alright, is that all the way through?
Yep, it's all ready for you to put it together up front.
Alright, well, you're good. Shut it off and that's it.
Alright.
So now you want to top off the hydraulic fluid, right?
Yep.
What you got?
Put all on that soil.
This is AmSoil. This is good stuff, bro.
It really is.
This is like one of the best on the market.
Yep.
Yeah, put it all the way back. This way all the fluid will be all on one side. The easiest way to do it. Alright, let's do it. Hold the funnel.
My assistant will pump it.
Here's what I want you to do. Bring it up and bring it down. Turn it all upside down, that freaking frown. This way. There you go. All the way in, all the way in. All the way in. Alright, all the way back down. Alright, ready? Put it away.
Just do it evenly, straight. Don't do that. I said don't do that.
Up and down, up and down.
Ah! Put it down. Don't do that.
Alright, put it all away. Done. Alright, shut it off. Always busting my chops, huh? Alright, always busting my chops, right? Here, hold the door. Alright, and that's that. Alright, so what do we do with this? We put a hose on, we did a whole bunch of stuff now.
Put the ignition on.
You put a new ignition on it, they needed that bad. You got AmSoil, right? You got the good stuff in the truck, right? You got the good oil.
And the best thing is,
What?
you get the job.
The best thing is, I'll tell you what the best thing is. I'm getting shrimp scampi today. A nice glass of white wine, beautiful, like it's gonna be so good, right? Stuff like that. And you know what the other thing is? Taking over the world!